How to fix system restore error code 0x81000202 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Volume Shadow Copy Service, VSS, must be active for system restore to work properly. Other services like Microsoft Software Shadow Copy Provider and Windows Management Instrumentation, WMI, must also be running for system restore to function correctly. If the service is not running, double-click it to open Properties, and select Automatic under the Startup type from the drop-down menu. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, ensure that system protection is enabled on the drive where you want to create or use a restore point. Make sure Turn on System Protection is selected and set a suitable disk space usage limit. Apply the changes and try using System Restore again. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.